Most companies nowadays prefer to employ remote workers than employing a day-to-day office worker because working remotely is more flexible, and for the companies hiring, they tend to pay their remote workers as much or as low as they work. So if you are new here, my name is Sam, and on this channel I make videos about remote jobs and every other online money opportunity. So if this is the topic that interests you, make sure to like this video. Liking this video allows you to see more videos like this one, and also it helps this channel grow, so I will appreciate it if you like this video. As you might already know that each company can only employ not many people, so if any of the companies I am going to mention for you in this video do not work for you, don't term this video a force. It only means that you need to apply to more companies, and I am sure that 1 out of 10 will work for you too. So make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification so you will not miss any of my remote job videos. With all this being said, let us go into the contents. The first company we'll be looking at in this video is LTV Plus. This is a completely remote company that supports e-commerce businesses from all over the world. All you have to do in this company is to breathe customer service to help customers achieve their goals, and for the sake of this video, I will read out what is written on this website. When you log on to this website, the first thing you are going to see is help customers from anywhere in the world. Join a completely remote company that supports e-commerce businesses from all over the world. At LTV Plus, we are always on the lookout for motivated team players who live and breathe customer services to help customers achieve their goal. So these are the reasons why this company claim you should join them. The number one reason is that we are completely remote. You choose your favorite spot to work and help customers every day. It's all up to you. Though we are scattered all over the world, we keep in touch with everyone daily, so you will never feel isolated or alone. We are interested in your growth. That's the number two reason why you should join them. Your career opportunities are limitless. Start off in one role, work hard, learn and advance in your career. When you scroll down, you will see a lot of open roles you can apply into. When you see the one that works best with you, click on Join Us. To increase your chances of getting employed by this company, I will advise you apply for more than 2 roles. But hey, it is only an advice, so you can do whatever you want. And for the sake of this video, I will click on Join Us to see what's inside that button. When you click on Join Us, you will see the job description, job requirements and responsibilities, and the working condition of the very job you clicked on. So make sure to check the video description so you can get to this website where I am right now. When you are done reading the necessities of this website, just click on Apply button by the right top corner of the screen. When you click on the Apply button, you will be asked to fill in your name, your valid email address, your phone number, and lastly your cover letter and your resume. Please do not finish this application in 5 minutes. Take your time to write your cover letter and your resume. Take your time to sell yourself the right way so you can stand the higher chance of getting this job. So when you apply, it takes 2 weeks or more to complete the reviewing process, so please wait patiently. Before I go on to the next website, please kindly note that I am not a financial expert. I am just putting out this video for you guys for educational purpose only. And also note that I have just created a Telegram channel where I will soon start sharing different tips to making money online from my experience and other people's experiences. So if this is what you want to see, check the video description for a link to join the private channel. Now, without wasting much time, let us go back into the video. The second company we'll be looking at is Bandzoogle. This company builds tools that help bands succeed online. These companies is basically to help musicians to make money online or increase their fan base online. So for the sake of this video, I will just read the important part of these websites. Work from anywhere. Bandzoogle is a fully remote team. We don't let physical distance keep us apart. We are always in close contact through our business complete Slack channel, video meetings, and yearly face-to-face meetups in fun places like Geonode, Montebello in Quebec. Sorry, I don't know how to pronounce that. Okay, so let's go on. So to find open position in this company, scroll to the bottom of the website and click on careers like I am going to do right now. And as you can see on the screen, the open position at the time I am making this video is the customer support, and it's a remote job. For the sake of this video, I am going to click on the customer support button, and as you can see, you will find the employment groups, the job requirement, and the bonus points. So if you think you qualify for this job, click on the apply button, which I am going to do for the sake of this video. When you click on apply, you will be asked to fill in your first name, your last name, your email, your phone number, and you will be asked to fill your country and your postal code. Do not mind the visible faint text that says Canada. This is just to show you an example of how the inbox should be filled. So if you are from other country, kindly fill that in. Then you will be required to fill in your resume, your cover letter, your LinkedIn URL, and so on. Make sure you take your time to write your resume and your cover letter. Then you click on submit. The next company we'll be checking out is Geonode. This is a company that makes work easier with powerful forms that use conditional logic, accept payment, generate reports, and automate workflow. There is not so much about this company that I know, but I know they work from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. UTC time, and that they are looking for SEO agents, and you must have 2 years of experience. The salary is between $800 to $600 US dollars. The last company we'll be checking out is Webnovel. Webnovel is a trademark of Cloudary Holding Limited. This is a company that deals with stories and mangas. With this company, you do not need any resume or cover letter to apply. In fact, you do not need to apply at all. All you have to do is start writing a story that you love and publish it on their website. Make sure you are publishing at least one chapter every day, and you'll be invited for a contract by the company themselves. I will advise you that you make sure your story is filled with enough suspense, cliffhangers, and twists, and be willing to write a long story. Unless I forget, there is no limit to how much you can earn on these websites. All you have to do is scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click on Be an Author. When you click on Be an Author, you will be required to sign up or log in. Now click Sign Up. Now create an account with your valid email and create your password. Now when you are signed in, go to Workspace. See at the left hand side of the screen. These are my books being posted on this website on daily basis. Now all you have to do is click on Create a Story at the right hand corner of the screen. Thank you all for seeing this video. Do not forget to like, do not forget to subscribe. I will see you in my next video.